Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make finasteride topical solution. And finasteride is very soluble in ethanol, so you will need ethanol as a solvent. And I have bought these two medicine from market Jaburanti. It is a homeopathic medicine and contains 66% ethanol. And the Jaburanti it is used as a DHT blocker in homeopathy. And this Sabal cerulata, Sabal me2, it is also used as a DHT blocker and it contains 50% ethanol. And finasteride 1 milligram 30 tablets, and glycerin. We will add glycerin to this solution because ethanol evaporates very quickly, so for that purpose we will add a small amount of glycerin. And add these tablets. I have added all these 30 tablets and added small amount of glycerin. Mix them well. So you need to place it for about a week so that the finasteride completely dissolve in the ethanol, and then filter it with a cotton, because this powder the powder you cannot apply it directly. You can also apply it directly, but I would say filter it with a cotton paper, with a cotton cloth or a filter paper, because this powder they are very dangerous for women and children. The finasteride solution, this medicine is only for men, not for women. Women cannot use it because finasteride is very dangerous for women, and also for children under 18 years of age, so they should avoid this medicine. Apply this in a small amount before going to bed. And this topical solution also work because there has been a research. I will show a description in the link below, where it is has shown the topical finasteride also work, and it has also grown hairs. And I used this solution for about 2 months, and I noticed that my hair fall has stopped, and my hair has become thickened. And this is very, the finasteride, this is the only medicine that work perfectly, finasteride. And there are also other remedies like sapalmito and natural herbs and oils, and but that doesn't work like finasteride. This is very perfect medicine. And if you want to add, you can also add a small amount of distilled water to this solution. You can also add it and keep this lid tight because this ethanol evaporates very quickly. Use this solution for at least 6 months for effectiveness. Okay, thank you, bye bye.